This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about good view. Do you enjoy looking at views?
Yes, I really enjoy looking at beautiful views, especially natural landscapes. I find that looking at mountains, rivers, or cityscapes helps me relax and take my mind off any stress.
What's the best view you've ever seen?
One of the best views I've seen was at the top of a mountain that I hiked with my friends. We could see the entire valley below, with rivers winding through the landscape and forests stretching as far as we could see. It was stunning.
Do you prefer views of nature or cityscapes?
I prefer nature views because they make me feel peaceful and closer to the environment. City views can be exciting, especially at night with all the lights, but I feel more refreshed when I look at mountains, lakes, or forests.
What is the view like around the place you live?
The view around my home is quite nice. I can see some open green spaces and a few trees, which give the area a calm feeling. It's not very busy, so I enjoy looking outside, especially in the morning when everything feels peaceful.
Would you take a photo when you see a good view?
Yes, definitely. I love capturing beautiful views on my phone, especially when I'm traveling or exploring new places. It's a nice way to remember the moment and share it with friends or family later.
Are there any famous views or landmarks in your hometown?
Yes, there's a beautiful hill in my hometown that offers a great view of the city, especially at sunrise. Many people go there to enjoy the scenery and take photos because it's such a picturesque spot.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe something in your study or work that makes you feel confident. You should say, when it happened, what it was, why it made you feel confident, and how you feel about it now.
One experience that really boosted my confidence at work happened about 6 months ago. I had to give a presentation to a group of new clients, introducing them to our company's services and ideas for their marketing campaign. It was a big responsibility, as this was my first time leading such an important presentation alone. I spent days preparing, making sure I knew all the key details and anticipated questions they might ask. The presentation itself went smoothly, and I felt confident while speaking. I explained each section clearly and noticed that the clients seemed interested, asking questions and even taking notes. Seeing their positive reactions made me feel like my efforts had really paid off. I was especially pleased that I could answer all of their questions confidently, which showed me how well prepared I was. The reason this experience made me feel so confident is because I realized how much I'd grown in my role. In the past, public speaking had made me quite nervous, but this time, I felt in control and focused. By the end of the presentation, I felt proud of myself for delivering everything I'd worked on and for staying calm under pressure. Reflecting on this experience, I feel more capable and ready to handle similar challenges in the future. It showed me that with enough preparation and focus, I can present confidently and build strong connections with clients.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of being confident. Do you think confidence is important for success?
Yes, confidence is essential for success as it drives people to take risks and overcome challenges. When someone believes in their abilities, they're more likely to set ambitious goals and persevere. Confidence also helps in communication, making it easier to build strong relationships, which can lead to new opportunities.
How can people develop confidence in their studies or work?
People can build confidence by setting small goals and achieving them. Each success, however small, can boost their self-esteem and motivation. Seeking feedback and improving on it also helps. Additionally, preparation and practice can make them feel more capable and comfortable with their tasks, gradually increasing their confidence.
What can teachers do to help their students become more confident?
Teachers can help by creating a supportive learning environment and encouraging open communication. When students feel safe to ask questions and make mistakes, they learn more. Positive feedback on efforts, not just results, can also reinforce their self-belief, making them more willing to participate and take risks in learning.
Why do so many people lack confidence these days?
Many people feel less confident due to high societal expectations and the pressure to succeed quickly. Social media can also lead to constant comparisons, which may lower self-esteem. Additionally, some people don't receive enough support or encouragement, which makes them doubt their abilities, especially in competitive environments.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.